this now. So, warm welcome to one and all who have joined us here today for this inauguration of the 13th edition of Hyderabad Jewelry. Joined us here for the inauguration. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining here for us for this inauguration. Ms. Nirupa Bhatt, Executive Coach and Strategic Advisor, Leadership Circle Practitioner, and Gem and Jewelry. And so much for your support over the years for making this show bigger and a must attend for the entire industry. We all know India is the second largest consumer of gold in the world, but the consumption has been never before seen so much imports of gold that is happening. So that means there's huge buying that is happening. The pent-up demand, which has been for the last 18 months, is now coming out, and that's what you see is actually augmenting into the sales right now. So contribution to the jewelry consumption in the world is jewelry. This compelling designs which will cater to every need of the industry, be it the millennials also, the millennials who look for those which have the good manufacturing processes involved. So I think something which is unique of the show over the years. HF is also a part of one more unique initiative as Inform Markets in India that we have taken. We have launched Festival of Business, ushering economic resurgence. As we all know, over this last 18 months, our economy suffered because of the...
I would like to put, we have around 160 exhibitors from all over India.
And she is the lady in our industry who has created something very different, unique identification of diamonds in our industry, that is GIA. Because of her, the industry is having... Thanks, ma'am, for bringing this awareness in India. And ma'am, Hyderabad has become the big hub, and how this show is getting successful day by day. This is the 13th edition of HGF show, wherein you can see near about 100 for this show, and more than 10,000 plus new designs what our exhibitors have created for this special show. I know this show will be a little slow because there were many shows in this month. Last month there was IIGS and Abhushan, next PMI, GJF. Because of that, even visitors are confused to attend this show. But hopefully, I am pretty sure this show will be successful. And in coming years, next year, we are looking this show in more bigger way. This is the 13th edition. And UBM has really worked, of visitors and convinced exhibitors to take part in this show. And I'm really thankful to the whole team, especially Pankaj ji, and to all this Aslam and all. They have worked very hard to make this show successful. I'd like to add a little brief about Hyderabad. See, now Hyderabad, Telangana state, if you see from other cities, the development, what we have seen in Telangana.
To participate in this info platform where everyone can meet the most new. All the best to Informa Market and the Hyderabad manufacturers for this show. Thank you.
For creating this show and a success, and inviting me here, giving me the opportunity. Mahendra bhai, thank you so much for your call. It's great to see some of you who I am meeting after quite a few. And for more than 400 years from Persian Gulf, so the pearls have been coming here, and globally, if you ask section for pearls, those who have visited the Hong Kong show, and many of you have visited, there is a separate huge section for pearls. So I think there is a great opportunity, exhibitors, visitors, great and a very successful show. Thank you, pleased to be here.
Who are participating in exhibitions like this have arrived at a stage where they can say proudly that we hallmark, we grade, and we say that our jewelry is tradable as an investment, rather than something that you're a little cautious about buying. In India, you will see that mostly we buy jewelry from a trusted jeweler. Why should it not be that all jewelers are trusted? So that is something that I request this August gathering of so many jewelry creators to aspire to, so that a person like me can go to any jewelry store. I mean, I can see many jewelry stores here and say, okay, I can blindly buy because... And I see that there are leaders of transparency sitting right here. But across the board, there should be a transparency about jewelry. It is one of the most sought after investment for a woman. For a bride, what do the parents give? They give investment in terms, they don't give land. In India, land is not given to a woman. Woman, hopefully that's changing now. Jewelry is given as an investment. So if the jewelry is good, it's a good investment. If the jewelry is not good, the girl has been cheated. So I request all of you, please keep this in mind and raise the standards of jewelry, because the more transparent your standards, the more we'll be able to trade globally. I wish all of you all the best and happy trading. Thank you.
You will recognize the youngsters, the young talent in the industry, the young owners of the business who are coming up, creating new exquisite, innovative designs, taking new bold steps for the future of this industry. I think this is something which we conducted today evening. There has been a lot of thought and due diligence put behind this, and we'll be recognizing this the next gen of the jewelry trade who is coming up, doing their best and taking this industry an evening of glitter, glamour, excitement, and a lot of surprises. Maybe just unveil the logo here today in front of all the dignitaries. I think it would be great to have the logo unveiled on this innovation platform.
డిజైన్ కి జ్యువెలరీస్ కి ఒక బిజినెస్ మాట ఒక షో ఉంది. బిజినెస్ వాళ్ళు లేటెస్ట్ డిజైన్, లేటెస్ట్ టెక్నాలజీతో ద్వారా తయారు చేసిన జ్యువెలరీ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తూ వేరే అదర్ రిటైలర్స్కి అది ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ఉంది. ఇది కస్టమర్స్కి ఎగ్జిబిషన్ లేదు, దిస్ ఇస్ అ బిజినెస్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్. నా బెస్ట్ విషెస్ ఇది ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ఆర్గనైజర్స్కి. ఒక మన కంట్రీలో జ్యువెలరీస్కి స్టాండర్డ్స్ చాలా ఆవశ్యకత ఉంది. నా విష్ ఉంది ఎగ్జిబిషన్కి, ఇది బెటర్ జ్యువెలరీ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేయాలి. ఒక ట్రాన్స్పరెన్సీ తీసుకురావాలి మన జ్యువెలరీ బిజినెస్లో. ఎందుకంటే ఒక మహిళకి ముఖ్యమైన ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ జ్యువెలరీ ఉంది. సో ఆ దృష్టిలో ఒక మంచి ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ అంటే మంచి జ్యువెలరీ. సో అది మా ఆశిస్తూ మంచి పని చేయాలి. ఎట్లా ఇంకా ఎగ్జిబిషన్స్ జరగాలి మన మొత్తం కంట్రీలో, మంచి స్టాండర్డ్స్ డెవలప్ అయ్యాలి మన జ్యువెలరీ కోసం. Congratulations.
Fair. This is the 13th edition of this fair, which is happening in Novotel HICC, and we were so fascinated by the response just after the pandemic. We are seeing around 200 exhibitors who have come. 50% of that are local manufacturers from Hyderabad, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and beyond that we have jewelry from across India which is being displayed over here, the latest trends and designs which are going to hit this market in this wedding and festive season. Of course, this is a B2B show, the retailers who are visiting are going to bring these designs to you. So do watch and wait for any jewelers listening to this. Please make it a point to come and see this new designs which are here on display. Thank you so much, and see you at the show.